Bangladesh 433, admit 1 departure initially 3000 feet, surface wind 050 degrees, 10 knots, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 14, admit 1 departure, Bangladesh 433 initially 3000 feet.
Tower Capella 415, good morning, November 2 holding 114.
Capella 415, behind departing dash 8, and up and for behind and wet.
By the departing traffic, line up runway 14 and with Capella 15.
Tower Bangladesh 433, be advised just before Charlie, there are lots of birds flying.
Before Charlie, lots of birds flying coming.
Capella 415 will line up ABIM Charlie, sir.
Capella 415 approved, report ready.
We are ready, sir.
Capella 415, for departure initially 2000, surface wind 050 degrees, 10 knots, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Departure initially 2000, clear for takeoff runway 15, Capella 415.
Capella 415, air 124, reclear 3000 feet.
3000, Capella 415.